Feeling overwhelmed? Is that constant feeling of tension killing you? Perhaps the solution lies in a small jar. Yes, essential oils. A few drops can be more powerful than you think. Did you know that the right scent can completely change your emotional state? Let's explore together how these oils can be the key to relieving your stress and anxiety. Why is lavender so effective for calming the mind? And how can a simple citrus oil turn a bad day into a moment of peace? The science behind essential oils is fascinating. Research shows that certain scents can dramatically reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. Have you ever tried inhaling bergamot or applying ylang-ylang to your skin? Find out now how these scents can do wonders for your well-being. What if I told you that the answer to sleepless nights and anxious days lies in Roman chamomile or incense? How to use these oils in your daily life to maximize their effects? There are specific and simple ways that can make all the difference. Do you want to learn the secret to a more peaceful and balanced life? Stay with us and find out how incorporating these oils into your routine can transform your mental and emotional state. Lavender, the power of natural tranquilizer. Imagine coming home after a stressful day and finding instant relief when inhaling the soothing scent of lavender. Lavender, with its delicate purple flowers, is more than just a garden ornament. It is a powerful natural tranquilizer that has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and tranquility. But do you know why? Studies show that lavender essential oil reduces levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. This reduction is crucial for maintaining a state of calm and emotional balance, essential in our daily routine full of challenges. To enjoy the benefits of lavender, there are several effective ways to use it. One of the simplest ways is to add a few drops to a diffuser, allowing the aroma to spread throughout the room. This method not only creates a relaxing atmosphere in your home, but also helps to keep anxiety levels low throughout the day. Another effective technique is to mix lavender essential oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and apply it to pulse points, such as wrists and temples. This topical application allows the oil to penetrate the skin and soothe the nervous system directly. In addition to its use in diffusers and topical applications, lavender can be incorporated into your bath for an even more relaxing effect. Adding a few drops of lavender essential oil to your bath water helps relieve muscle tension and promotes more restful sleep. Imagine ending the day with a warm bath, wrapped in the soothing scent of lavender, preparing your body and mind for a restful night. Isn't it magical? Try it today and feel the difference a few drops of lavender can make in your daily life. Bergamot, the natural lifter. Have you tried bergamot oil? This citrus oil not only lifts the mood, but also helps reduce anxiety in an amazing way. In one study, people who inhaled bergamot oil for just 15 minutes reported a feeling of well-being and relaxation. Bergamot is often used in aromatherapy precisely for these properties. Its fresh, citrusy scent not only energizes but also soothes, making it a powerful tool against everyday stress and anxiety. Want to give it a try? Add a few drops to a tissue and inhale deeply whenever you feel the tension increasing. This method is quick and can be used anywhere, whether at work, at home, or even while traveling. Another effective way to use bergamot oil is in a warm bath. Add a few drops to your bath water to create an invigorating and calming experience. The combination of heat and aroma helps to relax tense muscles and calm the mind, providing a moment of peace and serenity. For those who prefer a more steady approach, bergamot can be used in room diffusers. Add a few drops to the diffuser and let the aroma spread throughout your home or office. This method not only enhances the environment, making it more welcoming and peaceful, but also maintains a constant level of relaxation throughout the day. Try incorporating bergamot essential oil into your daily routine and feel the difference it can make to your mental and emotional well-being. Ylang-ylang, a flor de calma. And how about ylang-ylang essential oil? Its exotic floral scent is more than just a pleasant smell. It helps lower blood pressure and promotes a sense of calm in a way that few other substances can. Ylang-ylang is known for its relaxing properties, making it an ideal choice for those seeking relief from stress and anxiety. Did you know that ylang-ylang has been used traditionally in healing rituals in various cultures around the world? Curious about how to use it? Mix a few drops in your favorite body cream and apply after showering. This application not only leaves your skin fragrant, but also allows the soothing properties of the oil to be absorbed directly into the skin. Another effective way to use ylang-ylang is in a room diffuser. Add a few drops to the diffuser and let the aroma spread throughout your home, creating an environment of peace and tranquility that lasts all day. It's like bringing a piece of floral paradise into your home. In addition, ylang-ylang can be used in massages for an even more relaxing effect. Mix with a carrier oil and use to massage tense areas of the body, such as shoulders and neck. The combination of touch and aroma helps to release muscle tension and promotes a deep sense of well-being. Incorporating ylang-ylang into your daily routine is not just a luxury, but an essential step in taking care of your mental and emotional health. Try it and feel the positive impact on your life. Roman chamomile, the embrace of the night. We cannot forget the powerful Roman chamomile oil. This oil not only improves sleep, but also relieves accumulated stress effectively. Did you know that chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural tranquilizer? Its effectiveness is backed by numerous scientific studies that prove its ability to reduce anxiety and promote restful sleep. Imagine ending the day with the feeling of a warm embrace, allowing your body and mind to prepare for a deep rest. For the best effect, add a few drops to your diffuser before bed. The soothing aroma of Roman chamomile creates an atmosphere conducive to sleep, helping to calm the mind and prepare the body for rest. Another effective way to use this oil is by mixing it with a carrier oil and massaging your temples. This application helps to relieve headaches and tensions accumulated throughout the day, promoting a feeling of deep relaxation. Roman chamomile can also be incorporated into a night bath to maximize its calming effects. Add a few drops to your bath water and allow yourself to relax while the enveloping aroma works to relieve stress and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. This nighttime ritual can transform your sleep routine, providing a deeper and more restorative rest. Try Roman chamomile and discover how it can be a true nighttime hug for your soul. Incenso, a paz interna. Last but not least, we have frankincense essential oil. Known for its meditative properties, frankincense is perfect for moments of introspection and deep relaxation. The practice of using frankincense oil in meditation sessions is millennial and brings a sense of inner peace that few other substances can. Did you know that frankincense is considered sacred in many cultures due to its ability to promote mental clarity and spiritual connection? To integrate incense into your routine, put a few drops in the diffuser during meditation. The aroma of incense helps to create a serene environment conducive to deep meditation, making it easier to concentrate and relax. Another effective way to use incense is by mixing it with coconut oil and applying it to the soles of your feet. This practice not only provides a calming effect, but also helps to anchor your energies, promoting a sense of stability and balance. Additionally, frankincense can be used in daily aromatherapy practices to maintain a constant state of calm and introspection. Add a few drops to a diffuser necklace or apply to a tissue to inhale throughout the day. This simple practice can make a big difference in the way you deal with stress and anxiety, providing a safe haven of tranquility in the midst of everyday chaos. Try incense and discover how it can bring inner peace and balance to your life. Have you noticed how a few drops of essential oil can transform your state of mind? Lavender to soothe, bergamot to elevate mood, ylang-ylang to bring peace. Now, imagine these aromas integrated into your daily life, bringing relief and serenity. Are you ready to make this change? What do you think of the simple applications we suggested? A diffuser by your side, a tissue with a few drops in your pocket, or a body cream enriched with these oils? How can these small rituals make a big difference? Give it a try and see how stress and anxiety dissipate. Want to continue exploring the power of essential oils? There is much more to discover and feel. How can these small vials become your best allies against stress? Keep learning, experimenting, and transforming your routine. Don't forget, your well-being is in your hands, or rather, in a few drops.